I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Square app is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Method option. This is where you can manage your cards and payment options. Step 4. Add a new card. Tap on Add Card and enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered all the required information, tap Save to add the card to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the card has been successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy selling!